My best friend. Friendship is a priceless gift that enriches our lives and makes the journey of existence more meaningful. Among the myriad acquaintances we encounter, there is always that one person who stands out, who becomes the confidant, the partner in crime, and the pillar of support. For me, that extraordinary individual is my best friend. I first crossed paths with my best friend in the most unexpected of places, and little did I know that this encounter would mark the beginning of a beautiful and enduring companionship. Our connection was immediate, and over time, it has grown into something that surpasses the boundaries of mere friendship. One of the most remarkable aspects of my best friend is their unwavering loyalty. Through thick and thin, in moments of joy and sorrow, my best friend has been a constant presence. There is a comfort in knowing that no matter what challenges life throws our way, there is someone who will stand by my side without judgment or hesitation. This loyalty has formed the foundation of our bond and has created a safe haven in which I can be my true self. Beyond loyalty, my best friend possesses a unique ability to understand me on a level that transcends words. It's as if they can read the unspoken thoughts and emotions that lurk beneath the surface. This profound understanding fosters a sense of acceptance and belonging that is rare to find. In their company, I am free to be authentic, and that is a liberating experience that nourishes the soul. What sets my best friend apart is their infectious positivity. Regardless of the circumstances, they have a remarkable knack for finding the silver lining in every situation. Their optimism has been a source of inspiration during the darkest moments, reminding me that even in the face of adversity, there is always room for hope and resilience. Our friendship is not without its share of laughter and shared adventures. From spontaneous road trips to late-night conversations that stretch into the early hours of the morning, these shared experiences have become the tapestry of our friendship. These moments of joy and camaraderie have created lasting memories that I cherish deeply. As time continues to weave the intricate fabric of our lives, I am grateful for the unique thread that is my best friend. Their presence is a source of comfort, joy, and strength. In the tapestry of life, my best friend is the vibrant and irreplaceable color that adds depth and richness to the overall picture. The value of a best friend is immeasurable. Their loyalty, understanding, positivity, and shared experiences contribute to a friendship that transcends the ordinary. Through the highs and lows, my best friend remains a constant source of support and companionship. As I reflect on our journey together, I am reminded that true friendship is a treasure that only grows more precious with time.